to use Claude for coding in 2026 step-by-step tutorial. If you are not using Claude to write code, you are leaving hours of productivity on the table every single week. I switched from coding everything manually to using Claude as my AI pair programmer 6 months ago, and it has completely transformed my workflow in this tutorial. I am going to walk you through exactly how to set up Claude, write your first program, debug errors, and use the artifacts feature to build real projects from scratch. No fluff, no theory, just practical steps you can follow along with right now. Step 1. Setting up Claude for coding. First, go to Claude AI and create your account. The free tier gives you access to Claude for Sonnet, which is already excellent for coding. But if you are serious about programming with AI, Claude Pro at $20 per month gives you 5 times the usage and access to the project's feature, which is essential for larger codebases. Once you are logged in, click on your profile and enable the artifacts feature. This is the game changer. Artifacts let us Claude generate and preview code. 听看啊 mean graphics and React components in a live preview window right next to your chat. You will see your code come to life in real time instead of just reading text output. Step 2. Writing your first program. Let me show you how to write a Python web scrapper from scratch. Open a new chat and type this prompt. Write a Python script that scrapes the top 10 headlines from any news website and saves them to a setSav to a SAFI file. Include error handling, rate limiting, and a clean output format. Watch what happens. Claude does not just give you code. It explains the approach, lists the dependencies you need to install, and then writes clean, well-commented Python code. In the Artifacts panel, you will see the full script with syntax highlighting. You can copy it directly or download it. The code will include the requests and beautiful soup libraries, proper headers to avoid getting blocked, a delay between requests to respect rate limits, and CSV writing logic with error handling. This would have taken me 30 minutes to write from scratch. Claude did it in 10 seconds. Step 3. Debugging and fixing errors. Now here is where Claude really earns its keep. When you run the code and hit an error, and trust me, you will, just copy the error message and paste it back into Claude. Let me show you a real example. Say you get a connection timeout error. You paste that trace back into Claude and ask, I got this error when running the scraper. How do I fix it? Claude, do I fix it? Claude does not just tell you the fix. It explains why the error happened, gives you the corrected code with the fix highlighted, and suggests preventive measures for the future. It might add a retry decorator with exponential backoff, suggest rotating user agents, or recommend using sessions for connection pooling. This is like having a senior developer sitting next to you, explaining every bug in plain English. The debugging workflow alone saves me 2 to 3 hours every week. Step 4. Using projects for large codebases. This is the Pro feature that changes everything. With Claude Pro, you can create a project and upload your entire codebase as context. Click Projects, then New Project, and upload your source files, configuration files, and documentation. Now, when you ask Claude questions, it has full context about your entire project. You can ask things like, add a user authentication system to my Flask app that uses JW tokens and PostGAN2, and Claude will write code that fits perfectly into your existing project structure because it has read all your files. It knows your naming conventions, your folder structure, and your existing patterns. This is miles ahead of just pasting code snippets into a chat. Step 5. Building with artifacts. The artifacts feature is where Claude separates itself from every other AI coding tool. Let me show you a practical example. Ask Claude, create a responsive dashboard with React that shows real-time stock prices using mock data. In the Artifacts panel, you will see a fully rendered interactive dashboard appear, charts, tables, navigation, all working. You can iterate on it in real time. Say, make the charts use a dark theme and add a search bar for filtering stocks. Claude updates the code and the preview refreshes instantly. You can build entire front-end prototypes this way before writing a single line of code yourself. It is the fastest prototyping workflow I have ever used. Step 6. Pro tips for maximum productivity. Here are 5 pro tips that will supercharge your Claude coding workflow. First, always specify your tech stack up front. Tell Claude you are using Python 3.12, Flask, and PostCongo. This prevents it from suggesting outdated libraries or incompatible versions. Second, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus backslash to start a new chat instantly. Keep different coding tasks in separate chats for clean context. Third, when debugging, paste the full traceback, not just the error message. More context means faster and more accurate fixes. Fourth, ask Claude to write tests alongside your code. Just add. Also write unit tests using PyTest. You get production-ready code with test coverage in one shot. Fifth, use the projects feature to store your coding standards document. Upload a file with your team's naming conventions, linting rules, and architectural patterns. Claude will follow your standards automatically in every response. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to set up Claude, write code from scratch, debug errors like a pro, manage large projects with context, and build interactive prototypes with artifacts. This is the most powerful AI coding workflow available in 2026, and it only costs $20 a month. That is less than 1 hour of a junior developer's time. Check the description for links to try Claude and other AI tools I recommend. Hit subscribe for daily AI tool tutorials. This has been Patapo AI. We'll see you in the next one.